the center?
Yeah, sure. So, hi guys, I'm Eliza Nanda. I'm in my third year, 6th sem from Textile Design of Jodhpur. And the best thing about Jodhpur is it's a very peaceful place to be. So, if you're from a metropolitan city or even not, it's just a very peaceful environment. You go there and you find yourself being in that creative element because that is the most important thing that you need apart from all of the work that we get and all of the socializing we get in that campus, because our campus is 25 kilometers away from the actual city, Jodhpur. So there's not much around the campus, but you get normal facilities such as a chemist shop, and there's a tapri outside, and you can go and chill after classes. So basically, it's not a big deal because you don't have to move out of the campus every day. But on Saturdays and Sundays, we have off, obviously, and we get a bus from our college which commutes us from the campus to the city 3 to 4 times that bus leaves. So that is helpful. You can go, you can purchase whatever things you want and get source your material and come back. Surrounding is safe around. Yeah, it is very safe because as I told you, we also have a curfew. We can't go outside the campus after 8, and we have to go inside the hostel building at 10. So we have that 2 hour thing where we can roam around the campus and have all the, we can talk and we just have our dinner and we just roam around. That's all.
What about the hostel, Eliza?
Yeah. So about the hostel, we have a hostel for girls as well as for boys, and everybody lives inside the hostel. There's nobody who does not get a room. The warden of we have 2 wardens and 2 faculties who are the mentors for the wardens, and they connect with us if we have any issues, or if anybody is having some trouble, they can go talk to them. If not the warden, then the warden always helps and you always get a room. You have 2 options for girls. There are 2 hostels and you have 2 options. Either you can live in a triple occupancy or you can pay more and live in a single occupancy if you are not comfortable with living with 2 other people. Yeah.
All right, and there's one more question. Hostel fees, do you have any idea about it?
Yeah, so the triple occupancy fees is I think 42,000 something per year, and the single occupancy is 80,000.
All right. And mess and food, is that fine? Or?
Yeah, we have a mess, we have a canteen, and we have an Amol parlor inside. So the mess provides us food 4 times a day. That includes breakfast, lunch, snacks, and dinner. And then we have a canteen also, which we can go if we do not like the mess food, which doesn't happen mostly. And we get non-veg 2 times a week, so it's all set. And the menu is decided by the students itself. So there's like a board of students who decide the menu for a week, for a particular week, and it goes through many things. And they, when students do it, then it's just better, and we keep adding our stuff, and we can go talk to them. So they have a direct contact with the mess contractor, whoever that person is, and it's all nice.
Good. Thank you, Eliza, and you just said boys also have a hostel, right?
Yeah, boys have 2 hostels as well. They live in the quarters, so I think they have a flat going inside the campus. So we have like a very big campus. So they live in flats. So I think they have 4 rooms, and there are 2 people in 1 room.
All right, and about the placement, guys, let's be very clear here that placements happen in every center. You are allowed to go to any centers and apply for placements. Placement is completely dependent on your work, not on the center. So I hope I have cleared this for everyone. All right, thank you, Eliza. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much. Let's move to Mukesh. Mukesh Paul from NIFT Chennai. Mukesh, hi, welcome. You have to unmute.
Yeah. Hi guys, I'm P. Mukesh from NIFT Chennai. I'm the So yeah, to talk about NIF Chennai. So when you take NIF Chennai, we have all the departments in NIF Chennai, every department. We didn't leave any of the departments. And regarding facilities, as per every department, we have all the facilities. And the best part of the NIF Chennai is the lab assistants. So when you talk about the lab assistant, all the lab assistants have minimum of 10 years experience in the industry. So they'll be very friendly to you. So whatever you want, you can they will just help you out. Same as the faculties. So and one more special thing about the Chennai faculties are, so most of our faculties are alumni of NIFT Chennai itself, or NIFT, few of NIFT. So they have their own. They went to industries, work. They have work experience, and then they came back to NIFT Chennai. And most of the students are our faculty. So when you interact with teachers, you don't even feel like you're talking to a teacher. So it will be very friendly. Everything will be a new experience. So yeah, when it comes to hostel, yeah, you have hostel for both boys and both girls. So both boys and girls. So for boys, you have hostel in NIF Chennai campus itself. For girls, it's just little 1 kilometer away from our college. So same. For all girls, you have hostels are available. When it comes to boys, so you'll be only for first 3 years you'll be getting hostels. Apart from that, you won't be getting hostel for boys. When it comes to PG and other things, in and around college itself, everything is available. Like it's the same flats, PGs, everything is available in and around college itself. Food. When you talk about food, same. You have two canteens. One canteen separately for hostel students, and other canteen is common for everyone. So whoever wants to take everything, you get non-veg, veg, everything over there. And every day you get both the food, South Indian food, North Indian food, everything you'll be getting. So there won't be any difficulties for students regarding food over there. Then the same in girls hostel also, you have two hostels. And yeah, you'll get food 24 bars hour in NIF Chennai, especially in girls hostel, not for boys. In NIF Chennai girls hostel, there is one part of the hostel you get ready-made foods over there 24 bars hour, even the whole night, because they know we'll be working the whole night for our juries and other things. So every time it will be open, and 24 bar 7 Zomato, Uber, everything is open. So there's no difficulties for food. When it comes to transport, yeah, opposite to our college itself, we have our own. We have local train stations, autos, bus, everything you get. And the beautiful part of NIF Chennai is the beach is just 5 minutes away from our college. So you'll be enjoying it whenever you want, whenever you feel stressed out, you can just walk into the beach, have your own time, and then come back. So it's beautiful over there. Yeah, hostel fees for boys. So when I was in hostel, first 2 years I was in hostel. So I paid 80,000 rupees including food. Two students in one room, it's available, including food. It's 80,000 non-AC. If you want AC, it's 1 lakh per year. Yeah.
All right. Can you tell something about the climate? Like the last time, like Chennai had floods, and that environment, all these things.
So yeah, Chennai is hot. We have to accept it. But when it comes to classroom, most of the departments have AC classrooms. Even labs and apart the computer labs and other things are AC. Even most of the classrooms are full of AC, so you don't feel that difficult. Even in rainy seasons, because most of our college girls stay in hostel only. So like 75% to 85% of the girls stay in hostel. So there is bus facilities to go and come to those people who are staying in hostel. Only localites might feel little difficult who stay in Chennai itself, but it's not that big deal if it is a rainy season.
And I think in all NIF centers, if I am true, correct me, like you rarely find time to go out. You have so much of work, like a Saturday, Sunday maybe, or some birthdays you might just go to your friend's house nearby or in the hostel itself. So you won't be getting so much of time, at least in first year, because that's the maximum amount of work you all will do. Is there lingo problem, language problem, Mukesh?
No, yeah, but in NIF Chennai, but everyone thinks that okay, if we go to NIF Chennai, everyone will be speaking only Tamil, but it's not like that. Every people over there knows all three languages. Even if you take lab assistant, even the housekeeping people talks in Hindi to you people in whatever languages you are. They talk Hindi, Tamil, and English. Even the housekeeping people talks English in our college, so you won't feel any difficulties over there.
All right. Location, is it in the center of the city?
So yeah, it's not in the center of the city, but everything is it's in Taramalli, in and around. Everything is available in and around. It's in the East Coastal Road, ECR.
All right. Okay. Thank you, Mukesh. Thank you so much. Distance from airport. Every time this guy is asking distance from
So distance from airport is just 45
minutes.
minutes.
Your name is not written here. It's 6BARF5821. Neither your video is on. So next time switch on your video and I'll answer your question. I'm sure Google can answer this question also. This session you need to switch on your video if you want to ask questions. We are very clear on this part. Okay, thank you, Mukesh. Let's move on to Shalini. Shalini from Shillong. Shalini, I think Mukesh was also a panel student. I think my first batch I thought maybe.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. How are you?
I am good. How are you? You are my first teacher, and I still remember. I had my introductory session with you.
My first teacher too.
Yes.
Thank you. It was long back. I was in college that time.
Yes.
So I'm so happy to see you here. So tell Shalini about NIF Long.
Yes, sure. I am from Accessory Design Department in final year and of course waiting to graduate. So our college has recently shifted to its new campus, like last semester. So if I'm not wrong, I guess it's the biggest campus and it's quite in the outskirts. So they have all the facilities. They have built all the facilities there. They have girls' hostel, boys' hostel, and then you'll be having faculty quarter as well in the same campus. And they have, for now, the hostel is somewhere else. So they have arranged all the bus facilities and all for the girl students, and it's for all the 4-year students for girls. I'm not sure about boys. You have to ask to the college, like have they implemented that rule or not. And yeah, Shillong is a really beautiful place. You'll never be upset to go back to the place after your vacation. So I had a great time in Shillong, and faculties are really cool, really chill. They'll be like your friends. You can go to them anytime and ask. But after coming to the college, nobody is, really going to spoon feed you. So you have to be curious enough to go and ask whatever doubt you have. And yeah, I had a really nice experience. So if you have anything to ask, you can.
Hospital, I don't understand. Is it for Shillong Hospital? Maybe hospital distance or medical center? I think maybe.
Okay, so we have our college has a tie-up with this hospital called Patachani. So anytime you need any medical assistance, you can just contact you can just contact the warden or any of your mentors. You'll be having college mentor. We are having counselors as well. So you can contact them. They'll take you to the hospital if you need. And anyways, there is a doctor in the college also. So they'll be available. Food facilities, we have mess and we have a canteen, and there is this how was the internship opportunities? Okay. FC, I am not sure. I am from AD. So internship, I was doing my internship in visual merchandising. So yeah, it was good. You have to build your portfolio like that. So then only you will get the internship, good internship.
Yeah. And you can apply anywhere for internship or job, as long as your work satisfies the goal. And curfew time, like for students?
So it's 9 o'clock for girls. By 9 you have to be back to the hostel, and because we have biometric system. So you can't just run out, and then they also take your signature at the end of the day, like at 10:30, the warden will knock your door and she'll make sure that you're inside. Otherwise, she's going to call your parent or whatever. So it's really strict in Shillong. They don't even let anywhere to for you to go alone. They'll always arrange bus facility because the Shillong is kind of a remote area. I can say it's more like a tourist place, not like a metropolitan area. So they are very strict about it.
And stationery, photocopy, all these things are available near the center.
It's all there inside the center.
All
And
right.
then we have a market also, police bazaar it is called. So you can go there on weekend and get whatever you want.
All right. People restrict themselves from going to Shillong center, so some are convincing you. So is there think twice before? Should we think twice before selecting that center? If have you felt that? And I think you must be in your last year now.
Yes, ma'am. I was there for like 3.5 years, and no, I never felt that. It was really a great experience. I mean, this sort of experience you won't get in any other center because it's not like most of the time you get either you will watch or you will just go and roam around. Everything is just a view there. You don't have to find a place, really beautiful place to go and sit. We just used to climb our hostel and sit, and it was also peaceful for us. So there is nothing like that. And people are really humble and nice. So I don't think so. You have to think twice or something like that. It's very nice.
Nandini, fabric sourcing is available in all colleges. If it was not
Yes.
for the colleges wouldn't run. These are apparel production.
There are a lot of shops there.
Center, they are located situated nearby or in distance. So fabric sourcing is not a problem anywhere, and your seniors are always there to help you. I'm from Mangalore. What about travel? Anshika, are you talking in terms of facilities like how to reach Shillong? Airport, train?
Okay, so first of all, there is no airport in Shillong. You have to take a flight till Guwahati, and then you'll get a shared cab. From Guwahati to Shillong, you'll get a shared cab, or you can book your personal cab. They'll charge 2,000 for personal and 400 each for shared cab. So that's how you reach Shillong, because Shillong is kind of expensive.
All right. Thank you so much, Shalini. Let's move
Anytime.
on to Tanaya. Are you there?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think your video is off.
Okay. Yeah. Now I was just working on something.
No problem. So yeah, introduce yourself and you can go on.
Okay. So hi, I'm Tanaya Malik, and currently I'm in second year knitwear design in NIFT Mumbai. So NIFT Mumbai is actually not in Mumbai; it's in New Mumbai. So you have to travel around an hour or so to reach the center from the airport, because everyone is asking this question, so I'm answering it on first hand. So yeah, campus is pretty nice, and the area is pretty peaceful than Mumbai, because main Mumbai is full of crowd. And how is the experience with KT? Knitwear design department in Mumbai is really nice. We have machineries, hand flat machine. We have the Shima lab where you can print out the fabrics. It's really good. For me, KT is really good. Okay. So yeah, NIFT Mumbai. It has a really good infrastructure. The teachers are really helpful. Teachers are really helpful.
One second,
and they-
can I just stop you? I think there are a lot of students who have joined us the first time. So I'll make it clear for you. This is not a session to ask ranks. This is not a session to ask the department questions. This is a session for center. It is clearly mentioned in your link, in your graphic and everything. So stick to the question. ऐसा होता है ना कभी-कभार you will lose the track. So stick to the track and understand about each center, because you don't know where you will go. So it's important to understand what the person is speaking and ask questions on the same track. Thank you, Tanya. You can continue tonight.
So one second, okay. Yeah. So I was talking about the infrastructure. It's really good. We have a football ground. We have like futsal ground basically. It's small. It's not as big as football ground.
there we play volleyball. We have volleyball ground. We have basketball ground. We have a different, what do you say, a theater where we do our normal club works like dance society and music society. The societies are really strong in Mumbai. So we really like, other than academics, you really shine in your co-curricular activities in NIF Mumbai. That's what I think personally, because I have outgrown in my like non-academics part. So it has really helped me. And apparently, compare if we say that Mumbai is, the environment is pretty good. Seniors are really helpful. They're very sweet actually. Like, first I was scared of my seniors, but they turn out to be really nice. What is the expenditure for hostel? Okay, yeah, there is a hostel for girls and guys both, and till fourth year you can stay in hostel. There's no problem. For girls, hostel is outside the campus, around 500 meters away. What about, okay? So it is 500 meters away, and we the girls' hostel is around 10-story building. So this is enough for like to stay for 4 years. And for boys, the hostel is inside the campus, and the expenditure is for, I don't know for guys, but for girls we have 4 sharing, we have 17 sharing room, we have twin sharing room, we have 3 sharing room. So it differs from what sharing you are. Like, for 2 sharing, there's AC, non-AC. For 4 sharing, there is non-AC, AC. So it differs from 1 lakh to 50,000 a year to 60,000 a year. And someone asked about expensive. No, actually, NIF Mumbai is in Navi Mumbai. So comparatively, it is bit cheap. It's like affordable for you. Even transport is not in Mumbai overall. Navi Mumbai. Transport is also very cheap. So you can travel from from a place which is an hour far from your place in only 20 rupees in a local train. So it's really convenient. People are scared of local train, but it's really nice to travel in a local train. And any questions?
Any other question, guys? How do you feel safety and everything?
Okay. So
Especially during this
it is
time,
pretty-
want to say something, guys?
yeah.
During this corona time, when this time during pandemic, like if you can share some light on that. Thank you for asking that a
Okay.
lot.
Navi Mumbai is not that much affected as Mumbai, so we were pretty safe. We came hostel curfew time. Okay, so we were pretty safe when, because they gave us around, before, I think a week before the lockdown was imposed. We were forced to go to our places. They sent letter and emails like, go to, you need to evacuate hostel, you need to go to your home or whatever. Uh, what else was there? I'm not able to see the
Curfew
question.
time, experience in Mumbai.
Okay, so the
Can I add
curfew time-
something for NIF Mumbai?
Yeah.
of course.
So I went there in my first year for Converge, and I'd just like to add that NIF Mumbai hostel is like a 5-star hotel, guys. It's really, really amazing. We went there and we were like, wow, the washrooms are so nice. They have the separate balconies and everything. It's just amazing. It's just 5 minutes, I think, walking from the campus, and we went inside, like we're inside a hotel lobby or something. And I think they have a separate room for washing machines as well, which we don't in Jodhpur. So we were kind of astonished to see that. And I think you guys also have lifts or something.
Yeah, we have lift. We have 4 lifts.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, so it's pretty nice over there. You don't feel, you don't feel you're not at home. You feel and actually I prefer staying in hostel than rather renting, because it will cost more. They have to make my own food, get the groceries. Because mess food is also really nice. You get different food. You get fruits. You get fruit juices. You get ice creams. You get non-veg twice a week. So it's pretty nice. Like, if you opt for a hostel, I prefer you to opt for a hostel. Though it's a little bit expensive because the AC, but
I hope you can afford it because I had to stay in four sharing, which is 48K per year. So it's really nice. If there are more people in your room, you feel safe around. You feel not bored. And the workload is obviously every NIFT. The workload is a lot. So I hope you guys get a good center. Like every center is good. I'm not saying any center is bad. I hope you guys, are doing well in this period of time. Yeah.
Thank you, Tanaya, so much. Thank you for sharing. And hostel
someone
curfew,
start.
you said, right? Hostel curfew, airport
Hostel
distance.
curfew is around 9:30. You have to be back in hostel by 9:30 p.m. And the biometric also starts from 9:30 to 10:30. So if you miss your biometric, your parents will get a message that your ward was unable to give you attendance or something. So you better not miss your biometric because I get scolded for that. So yeah.
And airport distance?
Airport distance is it's around I think 1 hour. If it depends on traffic. If there is no traffic, it will take an hour. If there is a traffic, it will take 1.5 hour or 2 hours. Because it's Bombay, you never know what's gonna happen.
Correct. All right. Thank you, Tanaya, so much. Thank you for sharing your thoughts on this. Let's move to the next. Aditi, are you here? Aditi Pataya? Yes. All right. I cannot see you on my screen. Aditi. Aditi, am I audible to you?
Yes, you are.
Yes. So you can start. You can start. You are from NIFT Kolkata and you can start sharing your experience.
Yeah, okay. So congrats to all of you who have got into NIFT. And starting about the campus, we don't have such a big campus, but yeah, we have all the facilities over there, and the faculty are very friendly. And we have leather department, access department, and fashion communication, then knitwear, then fashion design, then VF Tech we have, and the hostel. The hostel is around. It's just the distance from the campus. It's 1 kilometer, and it's only for girls. We don't have a hostel for boys, and we have all the facilities in the hostel, such as Wi-Fi and communication system, because we have bus facilities. The bus comes in the morning at we have two trips. So first trip is at 8:15 and second is 8:30. And if you miss the bus, then you have to go by your own convenience. And in the evening, we have one trip at 5 and another at 5:30. So that's how it is. And about the fabric and all, we have a nearby market which is called GT Market, and we get each and every stuff over there. And we have places where we get fabrics and all the materials very cheap. So it's like New Market, Bada Bazaar you can get, and the distance from the hostel is around uh, 10 kilometers. And if you book cabs and go, it will cost you around 300. But if you go for a bus, it will the ticket is only 10 rupees and you can reach there. It's a public bus, and that's what it is.
All right. Vishal, are you here with us? Vishal is also from NIFT Kolkata. Vishal.
Rinjim, I guess he is not here.
All right. Then okay, Aditi, they are asking, can you tell about places for boys nearby, like to stay rooms, PG?
Yeah, we have nearby places like from the college itself. In the backside only we have mess and all. So I don't have that too much knowledge, but we have nearby the college.
Okay, and you know the locality and the surrounding. How is the environment around the college?
Yeah, for the it's very good because in front of a college we have NUJs, and we get it's very convenient. It's very friendly for all the people, and for especially for girls, it's very friendly, and there's that is very safe for everyone.
All right.
Is
Is hostel for all 4 years?
yeah.
It's for all 4 years. All right. Let's just rejoin, guys. Quickly click on the link and we'll just rejoin again, everyone. This session is about to end, so just rejoin quickly.
बार बार आता लाइव वीडियो में क्या कर दो तुम जो नहीं भी ज्वाइन करोगे चलेगा
कैसे वो चलेगा ही नहीं
अच्छा वो नहीं चलेगा
All right, just give me a minute. Aditi, are you here with us? Aditi, are you here with us? No, all right. Let's start with Raghav. Raghav, are you here with us? Yes, I can see you.
Yeah, hi.
Yes, hi Raghav. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good as well. So, everyone here, Raghav is from NIFT Gandhinagar, and I think he'll be now.
And ma'am, Raghav is also the SSC president of NIFT Gandhinagar, so he will introduce what his role is and he will share his experience. So, welcome Raghav to Ignite India.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
welcome, welcome. Okay, over to you.
So, hi guys, same show. I'm Raghav from TFT 6th semester, the third year. I would be moving on to my 7th semester next topic. And I would like to talk about Gandhinagar campus, which I love the most. I will be honest with you. When I was in the counseling in my first year, Gandhinagar was not my first choice. My first choice was Delhi. But I got Gandhinagar, and I am really happy that I got Gandhinagar because the life on the campus is quite amazing. The student activities are quite good and they are quite active. We have our dramatic team, dance team, music team, the sports team, the history team, the social service team, and we have got a good environment around the campus. Uh, Talking about the different campuses available in our neighborhood, we have a lot of colleges like PDPU, KNLU, IIT, IIM around us. So we have a good neighborhood, and they all have this. So you have an opportunity to visit those campuses and interact with a lot of people. In Gandhinagar, we don't have leatherware and knitwear, but we have masters, MFM and MFTech. So we do have a contact with the people who have the experience of industry and who come for masters. That is the upper hand in for a Gandhinagar campus because you get connected to people who already have the industry experience. And talking about the academics, most of our teachers are PhD and they are really good and they are experienced. Talking about the mess, I guess you have some questions. The hostel for boys, there is no hostel for boys, sorry. There is a hostel for girls, which have 202 occupancy, only for first year. After that, because some rooms remain vacant, so for the second, third, and fourth year girls, we have a draw, a lucky draw kind of thing. So a few of them get hostel again, but most of the people, boys from the first year and girls from the second year, have to move out of the college, of the hostel, and have to find a flat or a outside the college. But yeah, they are readily available in the area surrounding us. There are flats and there are tenants houses as well, rooms as well available. So that won't be a problem. Okay, sorry, I am not louder. Okay, I'll be a bit louder. And I opted for BF Tech.
All
Yeah.
right. Can you tell me your experience, Raghav, of Gandhinagar? Like, if I have to, if someone tells me Gandhinagar, I'll be like, okay, non-veg is not there, or these kind of things. So, do you have
No,
to say
that is
anything on that?
that is actually a myth. I love non-veg and Gandhinagar too have non-veg. We get non-veg in our mess on the Fridays, and we have got a locality in which we have non-veg shop, and other than that, we actually can actually cook at our home because boys have flats from the first year only, so we do have kitchens in our home. And other than that, for fabric sourcing, some people are asking for fabric sourcing. We have a in-campus stationery, and that guy is really good, Mahesh. Why he can source you anything, whatever you ask for. And we do have other stationers as well in the area surrounding us. 3 years ago, it was still quite of peaceful because we only had jungles and trees around us. But now the area is quite developing. We have Maxi, Domino's, Pizza Hut, everything coming there. So the area is quite good. Talking about my experience, I loved because the LDAC, the Student Development Council, which was for the teams like the dance team, the music team, they are quite active in our campus. So we do have teams, and those teams are quite influential in the Gujarat circuit.
All right. Services from Ahmedabad. I'm sure Gandhinagar and Ahmedabad are really close by. So, how to come in?
No, they are not. They are not so close by. Actually, there is a 30-kilometer gap. From airport till Gandhinagar, it is like 15 kilometers. It generally takes 10 minutes to travel by a cab. Cab takes around.
Yeah, so I'm from Bangalore, no. So for me, 15 kilometers is less. So that's why for us it's like my house till Nift it's 30 kilometers and it's normal for us. Like we are okay with it.
Yeah, people from metropolitan can get it, but the thing is, I am from a very small town. I am from Nainital, in Uttarakhand. So 15 kilometers like from one city to another. Metro is being built from Gandhinagar to Ahmedabad. It will complete by 2023. So we'll have metro as well. So right now we have buses and cabs, and Gujarat is quite safe because it's a dry state, so we don't have drunkards and alcoholics over the city. And yeah.
Actually, I would like to out here. Like I'm from the city.
Hello, Shalini. I think your network is a little bit having issues.
Yeah.
The next thing is coming to you only for Gandhinagar and Kannur both. So can you
Okay,
start
so-
now?
Yeah, so I was saying for girls especially, that it's like from Raghav knows it. Raghav is one of them. So it's like it's a very good place to be and it's very safe all around the place. So Raghav can continue.
Yeah. So, any other questions regarding the community? Airport is like 15 kilometers, as I said. The main railway station we have in Gandhinagar is in Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad station is like 35 kilometers away from the campus. Gandhinagar station is 10 kilometers away from the campus. Hostel fees.
Hostel fees, yes.
Yeah, so hostel fees was 70,000 approximately, 5 to 7,000 approximately for the year. And talking about the mess food, we actually had the best mess food certificate till the last year. Then our contractor got changed. But the happy thing is the old contractor is coming back this year from August only. So when you guys will join the campus, you will have really good food again. And the contractor also gets free cake on your birthday. So it's like a win-win situation for the students.
All right. Any other questions, guys, for NIFT Gandhinagar?
Now, when it comes to hostel fees, I wanted to talk about that.
Yes, Shalini.
So I have been taking girls hostel for 1 year. So the fees rounds up around 60,000 for the whole year. And I would say that if you live outside, that would be cheaper and you'll have your own atmosphere because the hostel rooms are quite small for two people to accommodate. But like outside, for the same amount, very nearby, you get really nice flats or studios, and you have nice place to work and to live. So I'd always say, like for the first years, you can go for the hostel. By second year, when you know the surroundings, please go for the flats all around the place. So that's
And talking about the price of PG around the campus, it is approximately 4,000, 5,000 for fully occupied flats for a single occupancy. So it's quite cheap. And even we have hostels outside also for girls.
Okay. Any other question, guys? Both of them are talking about Gandhinagar. Guys, you have a counseling. I have passed out and they are in the college about to pass out. It's your counseling. You need to pay attention. We have brought these people for you. We know in and out about everything. Alright, Gandhinagar, shops nearby the center, location, is it in the center of the city? What about amphitheater and extracurricular activities?
We do have auditorium and amphitheater, a cricket net, a basketball court, a volleyball court, a table tennis court, a badminton court, dance room, a music room,
tennis
and
room,
a tennis room, and then we have
then a dance room like
floor.
yeah.
Yeah, and most of them are
Yeah,
air
well,
conditioned.
that's Wi-Fi. Please, we are in 2020 century. You are attending this session online.
We do have Wi-Fi. There are hangout points like the reception area, the auditorium area. We do have charging points, the MSM area, and then we have 2 floors of mess. On the ground floor, we have canteen of the mess, and curfew time is 9:30 for girls, and it opens 6 in the morning. And shops nearby, I just told you there are all sort of shops nearby. We do have a market place called Info right next to a college. And on the another side of the college, we have Reliance Chokri. Chokri is called for Cross Street in Gujarat. So we do have both market spaces around our college. So there is no need to be worrying about this shop.
Safety in Gandhinagar.
Issues. I already reminded you people that when it comes to Gandhinagar or Gujarat, it is a very safe place for girls, especially. Like even when you walk at 2:30 at night outside, you are safe. Nothing would happen to you, and within 500 meters, you will always find police patrolling, and the people out there are really responsible and helpful. They will never let you happen anything. Like I have my personal experience. I'm very happy with Gujarat and the people out there.
I must add that by 7:30 in the evening, on every cross street you will find a police jeep and police patrolling, so there is no need to worry. And even one thing that happened, it was quite late, it was 12 around in the night, and I was going back to my home from a friend of mine, and the police came and they actually dropped me to my home just so that it is not safe to roam around.
Alright, thank you, Raghav. Thank you so much on the insight. Let's move to Shalini on Kanu or NIFT Kanu.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So,
Shalini, do you want to try switching off your video? I think then your network might work much better. Just try switching
so
off
am I now
video.
audible?
Yes, you are audible. Alright, I think... guys, I don't know, I have to remind you all again and again, this is a session on the center and its facilities. I can repeat in Hindi, कौन सा सेंटर अच्छा है, कौन सा सेंटर अच्छा नहीं है, ये सेशन उस चीज़ पे है. तभी हमने सारे स्टूडेंट्स को जो करेंटली इन सारे सेंटर्स में पढ़ रहे हैं उनको बुलाया है, so that they can answer your questions on safety, food, hostel, structure, how are people there, surroundings and all these things. What rank these people got, which center course is better, we will have another sessions on that. So please try to stick to the point and the topic of today's thing, because this is going to help you all when you will choose a place and when you will go to counseling and you will find that okay, Gandhinagar, this seat is empty, and Jodhpur, this seat is empty, and Raghav told me this about this, and Eliza told me this about this, so which one should I take? So this session is for that, so that you make notes, you understand how things are going on. Alright, and please, if you want to know more about this, you can connect to me and I will make sure that personally those questions are answered and given to you. It's safe, all the experts here, not to send your Instagram and all IDs, because it will be hectic. There are 500 to 1000 students and I don't think it will be feasible for all of you to answer. So reach out to me or Mukesh sir and we will get those questions sorted for all of you. You all have an email and a form which is given to you, in which you can anytime 24/7 email us back and we will respond to you, whether you are in the free group or whether you are in the paid session. So make sure that is done for you. Do we have Akash here from NIFT Patna? Do we have Akash?
Akash has some technical glitch, so he is not able to connect with us, so he is not right here.
Alright, and rest everyone is done, I guess, right?
Yeah. Salini is left from NIFT Kannur.
Yeah, I think it's a network, I guess. She's Shalini. Okay, so I went on Converge to NIFT Kannur. Bhavna is done, Krishna sir, everyone was done. So I can tell insight about NIFT Kannur because I went for Converge there, and it has hostel for boys and girls both inside the campus. For 4 years it's available, hostel for boys and for girls. It's the only thing difficult there is the stationery and things which are nearby, but I'm sure they are also feasible now, and it's a very beautiful center, and the weather is good in Kannur, so I think it wouldn't be a problem. There's hostel for both, and even if you need more insights on these, you can definitely go to the prospectus. Each center's scan code is given on the website. Each center's details and every facility is given. Go to the nift.ac.in admission section, click on it, click on the prospectus, go to the last page, all center things are mentioned there. I hope that is cleared for everyone. Now I will open this dialogue up for guys. You can unmute yourself and ask anything to us and we'll answer. Mess and hostel fee, I'm telling you, it's approximately 40,000. That's the hostel fees for a year, 40-45, which comes along to for every center almost, except if there's AC or it's one center space, it increases, and mess fees is completely different, and it's listed in the fees document also. Bangalore, Mukesh, hostel fee and mess fee.
Namrata, is Namrata here?
Yeah. So for mess, we pay around 3,500. So that is for 1 month, and we get 3 meals a day, lunch, breakfast, and dinner. And the hostel fees, I think it came up to, the hostel fees is the same for everyone, since we have just one option of triple sharing, and just some, very luckily some of us get double sharing. Nothing is up to us, we don't get to choose, and that is I think around 75,000. Yes.
All right. Okay. Is anyone available from Delhi? Sakina, Delhi was taken by Priyankur. Are you here?
Yeah, we're here.
Sakina, I'm talking about the expert here. She was here and he explained about Delhi in very clear sense in the starting of the session. Did you join early?
Yeah.
Alright, so you can go when this video is uploaded. Otherwise, he was very clear that it's very safe nearby his sector.
Alright. Yeah.
Shalini, can you hear us?
Yes, finally. I'm really sorry for the glitch in the network.
No problem. So you can continue and end it, conclude for the Kannur.
Okay, so I was talking about Kannur. When you talk about Kannur, it is in the outskirts of the city. Like the main Kannur, the Kannur city, it's somewhat 12 to 15 kilometers away from that. and the connectivity is through bus. Like buses are really nice, but they are uncomfortable, especially when you're sourcing things. Like you have a bundle of clothes with you and accessories and whatever you're needing. So it is kind of uncomfortable. Then secondly, when we talk about Kanni, the faculties are nice. Like my BFT faculties were really nice. They were very helpful. It is a very creative atmosphere, very friendly atmosphere. The co-curriculars in the Kannur is another level. Like the seniors out there, they have another level of support, and they just try to make you better every day. So I was really happy with my seniors out there. But I would say that Kannur, like if Kannur where it is situated, it is not safe for girls. Like in front of me, I had several cases of girls being molested or somewhat getting hurt. Like the last case that I saw in front of me was a second year girl getting hospitalized because the people out there don't actually like NIF and the students from there. Although we dress up decently, we have strict protocols regarding the dresses and all that we wear. So this is a problem. So I would just say that if you are getting somewhere else, the studies is really nice, but we have safety issues in NIF. So that is why I especially opted for SPT, and now I'm in Gujarat for the safety issue. Otherwise, studies is really good. And for vegetarians, it is a problem because there you don't get much of vegetables, and you only rely on mess, which doesn't have much diversity, and there is scarcity of food. Like vegetarian food, non-vegetarian food, you can get a lot of seafood and everything, but this is a problem. So the problem of food for vegetarians, and problem of commutation, and then there is this problem of safety for girls. This is the three major reasons. Otherwise,
So, Shalini, but I'm so sorry, I'm countering here. I still have friends there who are happy there in NIFT Kannur. So, as a first go, I do not want to put across to the student that NIFT Kannur is not a safe place, right? For few students, it might be the problem, but it completely depends on person to person, right? So, and things happen in every city and every area, and I understand that sometimes going to stationery or these places are not wrong, but I have been to NIFT Kannur, and in Converge I was there. I think I've been there one more time, and I found it peaceful, and the best thing I found about NIFT Kannur was that there was hostel for boys and girls both.
No, there is no hostel for boys. There is no hostel for boys.
The one which is across where all the boys stay.
No. That are old times. That is why I'm saying, like, I don't need to scare anyone out here. But I really want you people to be informed and to be aware. There is no hostel for boys. You have to stay out. And then secondly, girls, there is curfew time of 6, which they are thinking of reducing to curfew time is of 7, and they are thinking of reducing it to 6. So this is what the issue is with Kannur. Otherwise, NIFT Kannur is really nice, but the place around is not safe. I'm really sorry to say that. That is why I opted for SPT. Like, I was very upset on that place.
Can you explain about SPT once to everyone who's here?
SPT. So this is the policy of NIFT, that is student permanent transfer. Like, even after opting for 2 counselings, if you don't get to change or upgrade your campus, then you have this policy that comes around after first semester. The applications are out, fill it, and the 3 criteria that they look for is your attendance, then your common merit rank, or the rank that you have secured in the entrance exam, and then your pointers. So all these criteria are looked into, and you apply for SPT. And in case there are vacant seats in the colleges like I had a vacancy for NIFT Gandhi Nagar, then there is Mumbai, Delhi, everywhere we get vacancies after first year. Then they, if you are selected, then they take you up, and your college is upgraded. So I am one of the case.
All right. Thank you, Nalini. Okay, before we end the session, there are 2 things I want to say. First of all, when we end the session, the students have to leave. You all need to stay here, all right? And before that, everyone, whoever our expert is here, Raghav, Namrata, Shalini, Aditi, Sachin, like whoever is here, one tip one by one line tip for these NIFT aspirants who are going to join the college. Some fun, creative, light motivation, anything. One line, if you can tell them to, look forward to. Namrata.
Okay. So, one second. Yeah. Okay. So for me, since I was the first year, I don't know. I think it was all about exploring, and Bangalore campus has been really nice to me. I mean, we even have a dog. Like, it has been really, really nice to me. So I think wherever we go, when the connections we make, the more we talk to people, I feel like you should connect with people, connect with your seniors, and that is the most important thing for me. I think you just have to let it come to you, and you don't have to worry a lot about things. Things will happen when it has to happen, and that is pretty much it. Just explore, and I don't think the city has much to do with your creativity. I think creative people will be creative no matter what. So I think that is all. Just keep exploring and don't get stuck anywhere. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Namrata. Raghav.
So NIFT is all about exploration. So I would suggest you guys come out of your shells, enjoy your college life, explore a lot, make connections with good people, not only from your campus but from different colleges in and around, and enjoy your life, explore, eat, sleep, and repeat. That's the main mantra for NIFT.
Thank you. Shalini.
So when I would give one tip to all of you, I would say that you're going into NIFT, you're eligible to go to NIFT. Please work on the legacy of NIFT. Seniors are very important. Like if people say ki seniors, I say please don't listen to them. I had my seniors who had rushed me to hospital. I had my seniors who had been standing out there no matter what, even if the situations outside are not the seniors would be. So I would just say try to explore and you learn from each and every conversation that you get into. So try just getting involved with people. Yeah.
Next, Sachin. Sachin.
Yeah. So guys, my experience in that family, it was wonderful, and Shalini said seniors are very important, to be honest, and as she said, they really stand by you, and I also have experienced that, and I also my juniors saying that sir, like it's very good. You talk to your secret, then you'll get to know. It's in the beginning we get so scared. I was also one of them. I never used to go and talk because I was so introverted in the beginning, and I was kind of scared. But once you start talking to them, once you open up, I tell you guys, you have a wonderful relationship with your seniors, and they really help you in your life. I'm honest with that. And see, that's the reason I'm here now. That's the reason I'm talking to you. These are all my seniors. So because of that, hopefully I'm talking to you, and that would be very great. And also NIFT teaches you to be very open and to become bold. As I said, I was very introvert in the beginning, but now I've become a chairman of NIFT Bangalore. So that's the difference, which the college brings in your life. So be open to everyone, talk to everyone, don't be a I'm audible.
Your voice is a little breaking.
Yeah, that's why I asked. So don't be in a state of that. I can't do anything with that. Instead, talking to people, no matter what, no matter wherever you are, but in start people know about people, and people will help in the end. So that's what I share.
Yes. So Rimjim ma'am and Yesna sir is also my seniors. Hello. Yes ma'am.
Going one by one.
Oh sorry. Yeah, Sachin was talking. Oh sorry Sachin. You can continue.
That's fine. That's a big shot. It's fine. That's it. Have fun, explore, and good luck.
Okay, thank you, Sachin. We really can't hear you. Your network is really bad as of now. Let's move to Mukesh, then Aliza, Bhavna, Aditi, all of you, one by one.
So I would like to say that whenever you go to NEET, just participate in all cultural program or everything so that you can explore and you can talk to you will have a better communication with others as well as. So many people in the first year they are lagging behind because they don't participate in each and everything. So because it may be the dance, maybe the theater, maybe the singing. So go in every society or you can say club. So join every club and talk to the seniors. That is the most important here. So I would like to say that Rinki ma'am and Krishna sir is also my seniors. I know because of them I just talk to them and they also support me a lot and always help me. So I am thankful to them.
Thank you. Okay, Aliza.
Yeah, I would like to say that guys, just believe in yourself. One center is not going to break you or make you. You are the one who is going to, go forward. Just be very creative and wherever you go, it does not matter. I'm from Delhi, so I've been to New Delhi and I'm in Jodhpur. I've been to all three colleges, Hyderabad, Raebareli and Mumbai. So you just have to explore. Don't just sit in the classrooms. I am the head of dramatics in Jodhpur. I dance, I sing, I do everything. So just go ahead and do as much as you can. It's a big family and it is going to always keep you with all of that love. And you will always get help whenever you need.
Thank you. Next is Shalini. Shalini Shrishti.
I would like to say good luck to all of you for joining NIST. Be very upfront. Try to communicate with anybody you want to. I mean, faculty, seniors, everyone. And then yes, do explore. Do go to places. Actually, they will send you to places to explore. Design is not only about sitting at one place and wondering. You have to take inspiration by going to different places and seeing how things are happening, what is happening. So just keep that in your mind, and these people are great, like Rinjin ma'am, Krishna sir. You can always reach to them, to me also. I mean, if I can help. They have really been helpful throughout. It's not only about Seher. They'll be with you throughout your career with you. So thank you so much, Krishna sir and Rinjin ma'am.
Thank you. Tanaya.
So I'll tell you guys to do what you feel like doing. Like, don't let anyone stop you. If it's academics or if it's activities, if you want to do it, persuasive people. Don't act. Personally, I think every myth is same. Like the studies is same, the course is same. So choose whatever you want to and believe in yourself, obviously.
Thank you.
And all the best.
Yeah, thank you. Mukesh Paul.
Hi guys, all the best for everyone who have got into NIFT. So the main thing what I tell, most of them told all the points. So the main thing is don't give up on your designs. So just work on it. There are a lot of people to help you out over there. So just talk to everyone, do everything. And the most important thing, as all told, is seniors. So seniors play a very big role in your college life. So talk to everyone, be polite, be nice to everyone. The main reason I am here is because of my seniors. So yeah, so just talk to them. Thank you, Rinjin ma'am and Krishna sir, for this good opportunity.
Thank you. The next is Aditi. Aditi.
So all the best to all of you, and I would like to say you that be positive and mix up with everyone, and especially the senior part. Seniors are very important. Initially, when you join the college, you feel like they're seniors, but after 1 month or so, they'll be very friendly and they help a lot. And that's it. That is what. And all the best to all of you.
Thank you. And the last, Bhavna. Bhavna.
Hello again, everyone. So first of all, I'm gonna tell you that being a Niftian is a very proud thing in itself. So you're gonna get a new family there, and the key is actually talking. You need to talk more, create your own identity when you go there, because creating your name in the institute is a big thing. You'll get opportunities and you'll get more exposure there. And yeah, senior part is the most important thing. Talk to seniors and then enjoy. You're gonna get a huge stress before every jury, and people will be rushing at 3 a.m., 4 a.m. to you. Are you done? Are you done? So it will be very fun and enjoy, guys. All the best. And Krishna sir has taught me in Pehel to a year back, so I'm grateful to Krishna sir and thank you, Rintu ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Krishna sir, over to you. I think you should end this session.
Thank you, everyone. It was so pleasure to see you all here, and it's really glad. I was whenever somebody speak, I'm trying to find out, the day one when I met you, or how we started the journey, from there. So it's so nice. I would like to continue discuss you all, apart from the students, because once they leave the session, because I really want to know, which all center and how your experience is. So we'll discuss 5-10 minutes. We would like to talk to all of you together. Before that, it's just I'm so excited, trust me, maybe I'm not speaking to another computer, we are live, so I don't want my voice to reach there. So it will echo at the same time. So that's my distinction. The reason is, I would like Salini to share their experience before ending the session, because she was the one I told her you will get name, don't worry. And then she went for round 1 counseling and she didn't get the seat. The day she went for a counseling, there was a 3 or 2 seat left in the studio, I don't remember. And by the time before her counseling, she got over. She didn't talk to me 2 days. She was cried a lot. And after that, also when she called me, I do remember I told her, don't worry, you will get this seat. And now she is getting passed out from the NIFT. And second round, she got the seat. So I keep telling these people also, you will get seat in second round, third round. So maybe few of them is not trusting me. So I want you
No,
to
actually, sir, you were really helpful at that time. He told me to look for private colleges to keep me engaged, He was like, "Tu Vogue mein dekh, tu idhar dekh, DD ki dekh, idhar dekh." He was like, "Just keep yourself engaged." And then I came out of the counseling and I was like, "I didn't get it." फिर उन्होंने मेरे को बोला, "अभी तू देखती रहे कर." Then I went for the second round and then I got it. So it was really hectic, but you were really supportive and you are supportive till yet. Matlab till today I call you and you are there. So I'm really thankful to you, Krishna sir. You are a really great mentor.
Yeah, it's a great journey. I almost all of you, few of you I don't know, but whichever I see here, the Bhavna or Aditi or anyone, so it is even Mukesh also. Mukesh is the one of the guy I told him to drop out second time. And then he joined, he got the Chennai. So this thing I have not yet discussed also, because this year for all the NIFT students, I would like to tell you we have 2,000 plus registered students. They want us to help in counseling. So I think kind of a 1/4 part of the NIFT counseling we are helping the NIFT right now. So we really need support, and that's what we invited you guys. So it was a great help and relief for me today. I was just watching the entire session, so you all are sharing everything. So kind of you have solved my lot of responsibility. And when you decided to do something, so it's become your responsibility. I never feel like why anybody is calling me or messaging me. So it will be never for anyone. You can call me, ask me anytime. And we would like to wind this session for all our students. Would like to thank them, and the rest of you, though you are in NIFT or maybe the alumni, please stay back so that we can continue our discussion, because I don't know few of you, so and I want everyone to know each other, because that is how the journey of NIFT and this design industry, because we don't know where we'll meet again, in which path and where, and you may need some recommendations, some help, so that's how it works actually. So I want a student to like to leave this session, or should we end this session if you have and
Yeah, I think we can end this session because there's no time also left. We'll just rejoin with our NIFT Center students.
Yeah,
Alright.
only with new centers. Bhavna also rejoin it for a while. On everyone, apart from the student this session is already rated for you. And I think you share the new link in that group, Ritima. That would be better.
Yeah. All right.
That would be okay. She will share the link in your group. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye, guys. See you soon. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next session again. Bye, guys. Bye, Ria.
Bye, ma'am.
This.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
आ गया उसमें तो अपने आप बंद हो गया होगा नहीं
साउंड नहीं देना उसमें
नहीं साउंड देने का जरूरत नहीं है वो तो अपना बैकएंड में चल रहा होगा
नहीं साउंड थोड़ी ना चलेगा
नहीं चल रहा होगा
निफ्ट रिजल्ट विच वी आर वेटिंग फॉर सो लॉन्ग एंड फाइनली ये अनाउंस हो गया है। तो अभी होगा क्या इस रिजल्ट के बाद? तो आपका जो रैंक है उसके हिसाब से आपको देखना होगा मुझे कौन सा डिपार्टमेंट में जाना है, मुझे क्यों जाना है, कौन सी सिटी में जाना, वेयर आई एम, एंड बेस्ड ऑन दैट व्हाट विल बी द बेस्ट डिसीजन फॉर मी। ये सब सोचते हुए कुछ चीजें होती है, देयर आर सम फैक्टर, यू नो, द फैक्टर इज व्हाई यू आर गोइंग फॉर दिस कोर्स, द NIFT हैविंग अ 4-year डिग्री प्रोग्राम। क्यों करना है आपको ये प्रोग्राम? आर यू गोइंग फॉर दिस कोर्स टू जस्ट टू गेट इनटू द कॉलेज, और वहां 4 साल किसी कॉलेज में पढ़ाई करके निकलना है, यू विल गेट द बेस्ट। सो देयर आर लॉट मेनी ट्रिकी थिंग्स आर विच वी शुड नो टुडे, बट आफ्टर द रैंक जो पहली चीज दिमाग में आती है, oh my god, this is the rank, क्या क्या अपॉर्चुनिटी हो सकती है, am I missing something, am I getting it, और बेस्ट जो मुझे मिलना है। कई बार क्या होता है जो हम डिसीजन ऐसे लेते हैं which make things more complicated for you, you know, because maybe if you want, just I'll give an example, is somebody want FD and they are getting the FD in Kannur rather than getting in Delhi, Bombay or somewhere, and that guy or that student is from Delhi or Bombay, तो अब वो क्या करे? देर आर थिंग्स, ये डिपेंड करता है, यू नो, देर आर लॉट मेनी थिंग्स कंप्लीटली डिपेंड योर डेमोग्राफी, योर साइकोग्राफी, इन फैक्ट योर फैमिली स्ट्रक्चर, लोग क्या चाहते हैं घर वाले, करंट सिचुएशन बिकॉज ऑफ द कोविड, यू नो, लाइक सो आप बताओगे तभी तो हम आंसर कर पाएंगे। तो पूछो, अपने सवाल पूछो, वी आर हियर जस्ट टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चंस। आर अगेन आई वुड लाइक टू अनाउंस रिजल्ट हैज बीन अनाउंस, लिंक यहां भी दिया हुआ है, आप निफ्ट के वेबसाइट पे यहां से क्लिक करके डायरेक्ट जा सकते हो, यू कैन चेक योर रिजल्ट, कॉन्टेक्ट आवर टीम, वी विल हेल्प यू टू गिव योर रिजल्ट। सो फॉर वॉट यू आर वेटिंग फॉर, कम ऑन, जस्ट जाओ अपना रिजल्ट चेक करो, क्वेश्चन पूछो और हम आंसर करेंगे। चलो, आज जो पहला क्वेश्चन मैं लूंगा वो ये क्वेश्चन है, जो आई गॉट द रैंक बट आई थिंक आई विल नॉट गेट द दिल्ली FD, बट मुझे दिल्ली FD ही लेना था। Dear, see, this question which we are trying to answer your question is, you know, FD department आप दिल्ली लो, बैंगलोर लो, बॉम्बे लो, हैदराबाद लो, I personally believe doesn't hardly matter a lot. तो आपको कौन सा डिपार्टमेंट मिल रहा है, सेंटर मिल रहा है, उसके लिए आपको अपना रिजल्ट शेयर करना पड़ेगा। जहां आप शेयर करोगे हमारी टीम आपको बताएगी जो आपको कहां कहां एफडी मिल सकती है। इफ एफडी नहीं तो एफडी के साथ कौन सी डिपार्टमेंट इंटरलिंक होती है, जो कि आप लोगे और आपका सिलेक्शन हो जाएगा और आप कैरियर में उस डिपार्टमेंट में जाने के बाद भी उतना ही अच्छा कर सकते हो इफ यू आर नॉट टेकिंग द एफडी। ये थोड़ा साउंड सुन के आपको कंफ्यूजन लग रहा हो, मे बी फॉर फ्यू ऑफ यू। व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग इज द वन ऑफ योर फ्रेंड आस्क्ड मी द क्वेश्चन इज आई मे नॉट विल गेट द एफडी डिपार्टमेंट इन NIFT Delhi, which was my dream. What should I do? So after the result, this is a time of celebration. At least finally, after long time, you got your result. Do not worry. Our team is here. We will answer and help you if you are not getting the FD Delhi. So where all you will get, please write here in the chat box or else contact on a Google form and contact us directly on our numbers. You can even WhatsApp me also or you can Instagram पे आप भेजो. That is Krishna D2D, KRISHNA D2D. Myself or in fact the Ignite team, anyone will answer you immediately which all center you will get in particular rank, क्या क्या पॉसिबिलिटीज हैं, क्या क्या हो सकता है, कहाँ मिल सकता है आपको एडमिशन, कैसे मिलेगा एडमिशन, ये सारे चीजें we'll discuss. So don't get discouraged guys. Whatsoever your rank is, whatever your result, I'm again repeating, there are so many ways to get into the NIFT. बहुत सारे तरीके हैं, हम कामयाब होंगे, मिलेगा डिपार्टमेंट. दिस इज नॉट end of the like you know the goal is just a start beginning. यहाँ से सेट करना है और we have to make sure what I want, I can. I'm giving you an example of I have taken textile design in NIFT and I'm known for fashion and textile designer. We do have label. I have many clients in the city, like you know every year we do a lot of things. So there's nothing is like you know things that, and I'll tell you example of Saman Chauhan. He is a well-known textile designer of India, pass out from NIFT Delhi, and he is known for fashion. He's a known fashion designer and he worked with the many textile. And आज के डेट में तो I believe personally there are so many fashion designer moving towards the textile, sustainability, handloom and all. तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो हम डिस्कस कर सकते हैं बट टाइम कंस्टेंट है हमारे पास. तो आज मैं एक और क्वेश्चन लूंगा अभी आपका, फिर आपके लिए कुछ सवाल छोड़ जाऊंगा जो कि आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हो. और बेस्ट बात यह है जो अगर आप इस सेशन में अभी नहीं है और आप बाद में देख रहे हो, मेक श्योर यू राइट हियर इन कमेंट बॉक्स, लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब कर दो और बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दो, क्योंकि मैं जब नेक्स्ट टाइम लाइव आऊंगा या नेक्स्ट टाइम कोई वीडियो आएगा तो यू विल नॉट मिस दैट चांस. यू गोना वॉच दैट वीडियो एंड वो आपके तक पहुंच ही जाएगा. तो इसके लिए बहुत जरूरी है आप जो बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना, बिकॉज व्हाट आई फील इज यू गाइज रियली सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड ऑल, बट द वन थिंग इज मिसिंग इज द बेल आइकन in compare to, but no doubt from last previous few videos I am amazing. I'm getting a lot of you know queries, comment, like, subscribe. Oh god, yeah. Well, so today is the time for celebration, so let's celebrate together. Let me give you some question which maybe you can give you the some of the gift price and like you know you will get goodies by us. So the today's question is you have to tell the 5 of the Indian designer name, though are well known and they are working in top Indian brands, not in their own brands, top Indian brands. So that designer name and that particular brand. And I'll tell you for your information guys, I work with Madra, that means Aditya Birla, LP, Van Hussein or people, then Arvind mein kara hai, the couple of brands I work. I know more about lifestyle, Sahi, then Mintra. So you can't be live with me. You have to tell me the name. The team will check this 5 designer name, their top, their brand name, where they have worked. और आप सही जवाब देने वाले को आपको मिलेगा एक गिफ्ट हैम्पर. One more questions. Most of you may not know the answer of this question. So one the easy questions where the lucky winner will get the prize. You have to guess. I want you have to guess. This is the question for you. When the NIFT will start the counseling? Because that is what you want to know from me. Now I want the answer from you. आपको बताना है मुझे. आपको क्या लगता है counseling date क्या हो सकता है? So we will wait till the date. They will give the counseling round and dates. So if your answer is correct, you can again win some prizes. It's just to make your day lighter, just to make your time much more better. Guys, make sure join us this movement. Join together. Stay happy. Stay connected. Stay feel good. If in case you have any doubt, I'll answer you personally. If you need, I'll come for one-to-one live. If your rank and result is not good, please contact If not, if you want your parents to contact us, make sure contact. We are here to help you, and definitely our team will help you. Thank you so much.